Okay, hi guys. So today we're going to talk about what we call genetic algorithm. Sorry about that. Genetic algorithm. So basically, it's all about initially you have a goal state, and you're going to have a set of population given us, for example, children. And with these children, you're going to pick the best two parents, produce offsprings from them, and then compare it if you have gotten to goal state. You keep doing this till you have gotten your goal state. So the idea is just the genetics is basically bringing two children together and borning an offspring. So in this case, we have been given an initial population. We have four children. By the way, this is produced by Notebook LM. Next, you have fitness evaluation, the values. So the value for the child first fitness score is 4. Basically, the second child is 3 and third child is 2. Fourth child is 4. We pick the best two. In this case, the best two is child 1 and child 4. So these are who acts as our parents for the next generation. So we have picked them. In this case, you can see it. The next we're going to do is called let's call a crossover. So then bring out the two values 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. That's a child 1 and 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So what we're going to do in this crossover is that we're going to take the first three values of this. That'll be 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. And next we're going to take the first two values of this, then the last two values of this. So then the second offspring will be 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Next we have to cause a kind of mutation. So mutation is basically when you just change the value, toggle the value of a particular position. For example, if I say do a second bit mutation, it means that value at at uh at 2, you just toggle it to 0. So this will become, if I mutate it, become 1. We're going to toggle this to 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. If I perform the same on this to be what? 0. I'm going to toggle the second bit, 1, 1, 1, 1. Right. So these are the two new offsprings that we have from these parents that we had. So the new table we're going to draw up, let me show you. Is this. These are two new individuals. By the way, you will notice that there's a mistake here. It was supposed to be a second bit mutation, but then it did. By the way, you may notice a mistake here. It was a third bit mutation, yet it ended up mutating both the third and the fourth bit. So that's a mistake. So next, after we get our two new options, we're going to do something called elitism, whereby we allow the best individuals from the last generation to actually join in this new generation. So we know the best children were child 1 and child 2. We're going to allow them to join with our new offspring. So this was a child 1 and child 2 from the last offspring. And these are the new ones that we got, the new children that we got. So therefore, we now check it against our goal. Our goal is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. But as you can see in this case, we don't have that here at all. So therefore, we need to go again. Select the best two children. You can select this and select this. Again, make them produce offsprings. After the produce offsprings, mutate the offsprings. Then perform elitism and check in the new generation if you find the goal. That's how you keep doing this to get answer. Thank you for